Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to today's online class. I am Radhika, your geography teacher. Children, we were studying geography chapter 4, climate. Today, you have a part 10. Today's your topic is advancing monsoon or the rainy season. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over northwestern India. Already you know that. That means inside our country there is a low pressure. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. Air moves from the high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southwesterly direction, crosses the equator and it turns right toward the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These winds are known as southwestern monsoon winds, and these winds blow over the warm ocean, greater moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. Up to here you know. Is it, children? The wind coming from the southern hemisphere and across the equator and turned right and entering in our land, and that wind is called southwestern monsoon wind. And these winds blow over the warm ocean and gather moisture and bringing widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. Clear, children? Okay. The windward side of the Western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall, more than 250 centimeter. The windward side of the Western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall. Windward side means, you know, children, the Western Ghat is there and the wind is coming and hitting on the Ghat or in the mountain. And in which side the wind is hitting, on that side is called windward side. And the opposite side is called what? Leeward side. Okay. Okay, children. You know that this is our country. Okay, southern side and Western Ghat is here. Okay, Western Ghat is here. You know that. Okay, the wind is coming from here and hit on this Western Ghat. Clear? And this side is called Western Ghat. Left side is called what? That is a windward side. And this windward side receiving what? Heavy rainfall. Which side of the Western Ghat receiving heavy rainfall? Windward side. And this side is called windward side. Clear? And they are receiving more than 250 centimeter rainfall. Okay, children. Maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern part of our country. Which side of the country receiving the highest or a maximum rainfall? That is northwestern part of our country. Northwestern part means which side will come? That is in our Himalaya side. Mawzinram in the southern range of Kashi Hills receive the highest average rainfall in the world. Who receiving the highest average rainfall in the world? Mawzinram in the southern range of Kashi Hills. That is in Meghalaya. Mawzinram. Which place, children? Mawzinram receiving highest average rainfall in the world. That means the northeastern part of our country receiving maximum rainfall during this season. Clear? The windward side of the Western Ghat receive a rainfall more than 250 centimeter. More than 250 centimeter, and the maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern part of our country, that is Mawzinram, that is in Meghalaya. Okay. Rain shadow area receives some amount of rainfall. the Deccan Plateau and a part of Madhya Pradesh. Rain shadow area. Okay, children. Earlier I shown that. Okay. This is our country. Okay, 1 minute, children. It is very difficult to draw. Okay. Okay, children, this is the southern portion of our country, and the Deccan Plateau, you know, where it will come, children, then this here it will come. Okay, and this margin you already know what it you call in, children. This the western side of the that Deccan Plateau is called a Western Ghata, and eastern side is called a Eastern Ghata. Then Western Ghata, and Western Ghata left side is called what? Windward side, and opposite side. Another side of the Western Ghata is called rain shadow region. All the wind is hitting on this side and receiving rainfall only these areas. Okay, and this area is called rain shadow region. And this rain shadow regions receiving some amount of rainfall. Okay, this that means which all of the area will come? Deccan Plateau and a part of Madhya Pradesh. Part of Madhya Pradesh and Deccan Plateau receive some of water. Okay, some amount of rainfall. Rajasthan and part of the Gujarat receive scanty rainfall. Rajasthan. Already you know that Thar desert is there. Okay, in that part receive scanty rainfall means very less rainfall. Okay, children, which all are the places receiving heavy rainfall? One place, the windward side of the Western Ghats and the northeastern part of our country. And the northeastern part of our country receiving maximum rainfall during this season. Then which place receiving the maximum rainfall in the world? That is in Mawzinram in Meghalaya. Okay, and the Deccan Plateau and a part of Madhya Pradesh lies in the rain shadow region, and they are receiving some amount of rainfall, and Rajasthan and a part of Gujarat receive scanty rainfall. Another phenomenon associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have breaks in rainfall. Okay, this is the another feature. This is one of the feature we can see in the rainy season. That means breaks in rainfall. You know what is the meaning of breaks in rainfall? That means it has wet and dry spells. Spell means that a period. It has wet and dry. That means the monsoon season means it is not a continuous monsoon. From June to September we are not receiving the continuous rainfall. Then there is some break is coming. In some month, in some days we receiving a heavy rainfall, but in some other days we are not getting any rainfall. If we getting rainfall, that is called a wet spell. When we are not getting rainfall, that is called a dry spell. Okay, that is the monsoon rains takes place only for a few days at a time. When we getting rainfall during this time, that is called a wet spell. And the coming days is associated with the dry spell. That means there is no rainfall. And this phenomena, wet and dry spell, is called breaks in rainfall. This is one of the common feature we can see in the monsoon season. Okay, another phenomenon associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have a breaks in rainfall. That means it have wet and a dry spell. That is the monsoon rains takes place only for a few days at a time. They are interspersed with a rainless intervals. In some days continuous there is a rainfall, and some other days there is no rainfall. Okay, and this is because of the movement of the monsoon trough. You know why this break is coming during the monsoon time? In some days we getting a continuous rainfall, and some other days there is no rainfall. This is because of the movement of the monsoon trough. Monsoon trough means a low pressure area, movement of the low pressure area. Already we discussed about that. So many factors influencing monsoon of our country. Is it? Then because of that influence, the low pressure area will shift from one place to another place. According to shifting that low pressure, the amount and the intensity of the monsoon also will change. Clear, children? One of the important common feature of the monsoon season is breaks in rainfall. That means it has a wet and a dry spell. That means the monsoon rain takes place only for a few days at a time. There are interspread with the rainless intervals. And this break is happening because of the movements of the monsoon trough. Movement of monsoon trough means the low pressure area. This is because of the movement of the low pressure area. When the monsoon trough lies over the plains, rainfall is good in these parts. According to the monsoon trough, we will receive rainfall because there is a low pressure. If the low pressure lies over the plains, in that areas will receive more rainfall. Okay, monsoon trough means low pressure. If the low pressure is lies or emerge in the northern plains, in that regions will receive a heavy rainfall. On the other hand, whenever this trough shift closer to the Himalaya, when this low pressure is moved to the Himalaya, then which place will receive a heavy rainfall? Himalaya region will receive rainfall, and the northern plains there is no rainfall. That means there is a dry spell. Clear? On the other hand, whenever this trough shift closer to the Himalaya, the rainfall is good in this part. That Himalaya part, they will receive a heavy rainfall, and there are longer dry spell in the plains. In the plains, there is a dry spells. Clear? Tropical depressions too determine the amount and duration of the monsoon rain. Tropical depression. Can you say what is this tropical depression? Yes, the tropical cyclones. These tropical cyclones also will determine the amount and duration of monsoon in our country. This depression form at the head of the Bay of Bengal and cross over the mainland. And that tropical cyclones emerged in the Bay of Bengal and moved toward the mainland of our country. These depressions follow the axis of the monsoon. This depression also coming in our land because of the movement of the low pressure. Clear? Monsoon is known for its uncertainty. Okay, monsoon is very famous for its uncertainty because the movement of the monsoon trough controls the spatial distribution of rainfall. You know, the monsoon. In some place there is a heavy rainfall and there is a no rainfall. That means there is a no continuation. And there is a no the same amount of rainfall receiving all the part of our country. There is a difference is there. Okay, the movement of the monsoon trough controls the spatial distribution of rainfall. The alternation of wet and dry spells varies in intensity, frequency and duration. It is sometimes cause heavy floods in one part. It may be responsible for drought in another side. In the wet side there is a flood and there dry spell there is a drought. Clear? That means it have no common character. Always it is changing. That is why it is known as the monsoon is known for its uncertainty. It is often irregular in its arrival and retreat. The coming and going also irregular. We are saying that 1st June onwards it is reaching in our mainland. But all the year it is not happening. The arrival and retreating also irregular. Clear? The movement of the monsoon trough controls the spatial distribution of rainfall. The alternation of wet and dry spells varies in intensity, frequency and duration. It is sometimes cause heavy flood in one part. At the same time, in another part there is a drought. It is often irregular in its arrival and retreat. Okay, children? Clear, children? Okay, I am going to stop here. Thank you.